Alright guys, making the tiniest foil ball, which is the craze of the recent times on YouTube. First with fingers. And then you can roll it, press it. Doesn't matter it's square in the beginning. You can grind it real nice. I took my wife's nail file, which I will use. It's getting nice and shaped. There's still a lot of pressure we can apply to make it smaller, because you can feel it's a lot of air inside there still. So almost there. I'm gonna show you, just to accelerate the things, how to use the file. So again, this is my wife's file. You can either place it on the surface and grind it like that, or you can do it as with the nails. That means you hold it up. You can hold it up in such fashion, and then obviously grind it nicely. The better it is. This one is diamond, so it makes it real nice. Be careful for your fingers, obviously, but it takes effort, and in the end you can have a nice metal ball. Lose the lows. The smaller the file, the smoother the ball will be, and then obviously this is, you can see the debris. And after many hours many hours of strenuous work, polishing, and then spraying it, here we have the tiniest aluminum foil ball, probably on the internet now. I'm pretty sure some people will beat me soon, but I guess this one is the tiniest for now.